Video, I'm going to show you how I would convert a meeting transcript into your sales proposal. Now, you have two options that I'm going to reveal today. You can either do it through make.com, where you've got normal automations, and I've shown a workflow I showed yesterday, or you can use Claude Cowork, and I'm just going to show you how that works. So firstly, let's look at the make.com option. If we have a look at the workflow, what this looks like. So you've got Fireflies, which is a note taker. It gathers all of the sentences from the Fireflies and then passes it through ChatGPT to convert it into a sales proposal and then dumps it into Google Docs. That's one of the ways you can do it, and that's pretty much how you do it a few months ago. Now you've got the option of using Claude Cowork. Now with Claude Cowork, you just give it a prompt and off it goes. So if you're turning your meetings into sales proposals and after you've had your conversation, what does this do? It saves you hours and hours and hours. You don't have to employ some full-time employee to do the proposals for you. And there's also the revenue and the details of the conversation can be extracted. Obviously, there is a human side that has to be engaged in terms of make sure that information is accurate. Now, extract the pain points, you synthesize a proposal, and then the human reviews. That is a process. I've just shown you the made.com version. And the next one I would say is if you're using Claude Cowork, I've put a screenshot here of what my Claude Cowork looked like. I just basically gave it a simple prompt of Claude Cowork. I said, I want to turn my meeting notes from Fireflies into a sales proposal. And it starts going through the process. It then connects my Claude to Fireflies. Once it's connected, it is then able to extract the meetings. And then on the right-hand side is an example of what it generated. And that's all you have to do. It's not complicated. You don't have to go into some fancy automation system. You just use Claude Cowork and type in a prompt, and then that's done. So with it, on the right-hand side, you've got your sales proposal, you review it, and if you're happy with it, you send it off. And that's it. And I think it did a beautiful job, and it only took no longer than 10 minutes with Claude. So if you need help setting up anything like this or any kind of automation, do feel free to reach out. That's it. See you on the next one.